Hello, welcome everybody. This is Patrick Brando Group and we are about to do another project. Come with me. This is going to be a new restaurant in central London. So the health and safety is always really important, and basically just at the main entrance we have all the rules related with the health and safety. So people, they need to be aware that it's important to work always in safety. Let's get inside and I'll show you the place. It's a 2-floor. On the top we're gonna have basically a salad bar, and the kitchen is gonna be in the back with a basement underneath. So this is gonna be the main entrance. Okay, we have a snack shelf on the side and the counters, they will be on that side. So what we are doing right now, we are working on the walls. The clients want a nice brick wall. So we're trying to figure out if we can find the original brick walls. Otherwise, you know, if it will be impossible, we will place just fake ones. So on this side over there, we're gonna have all the counters. The style is gonna be urban. So the customers want to see all the pipes coming out, and what we call an industrial style. So in the back there we're gonna have the kitchen. So the clients want an open kitchen so he can cook and serve the food directly. So the kitchen is gonna be with 4 burners. We got 1 grill, double fryer, and obviously, you know, refrigeration underneath. So all this side here is gonna be basically closed with the partition walls, and on that side over there we're gonna have all the counters. Now follow me, we're going to the basement and I'll show you the basement. This is going to be the basement, okay, and we've got the toilets which is over there, and I'll show you, but we have 2 walk-in chiller rooms. Come to the basement. Okay, this is gonna be the basement, okay. We're gonna have like 2 walk-in chiller room, 1 cold and 1 freezer, okay, on this side. Then we're gonna have a preparation area for pastry, and we're gonna have extra storage on this side. So all of this is gonna be removed, and we're working to start this new project. Remember, if you want to open a successful business, we are the company for you. www.brandogroup.co.uk. We are specialized in taking care of your ideas. So don't forget to sign to my channels here below. My name is Patrick and I'll see you soon.